summer thunder, the way the sawtooth, it cuts the sky. It might scare the cold, but I'm nuts for both, and no one ever asked me why. I remember back in 56, lightning took our tree. It missed the house and it landed south, and it brought down a nest of bees. We had firewood there for the hot dog and the lean-to ready-made. Put up a fight coming in that night, but camped out all that day. Ally rain and summer thunder, the way the sawtooth, it cuts the sky. It might scare the coast, but I'm nuts for both, and no one ever asked me why. When the fish in the lake start biting, when it rains the night before, when I'd hear it fall, I wouldn't sleep at all. Oh, Huck, he couldn't ask for more. And then we'd bail out the boat with a coffee can, and the kicker would take us out. And at the daylight's end, if the pole didn't bend, we had the bullheads to think about. Ally rain, where the sawtooth, it cuts the sky. It might scare the coast, but I'm nuts for both, and no one ever asked me why. Papa said keep your fenders, you'll get a mud stripe right up your back. But Dad looked so cool, and all the kids at school got their J.C. Higgins like that. Well, he let me take off my mud flap, and pretty soon the fenders too. And every time it'd pour, I was out the door, and every puddle I'd pedal right through. Highlight rain and summer thunder, the way the sawtooth, it cuts the sky. It might scare the coast, but I'm nuts for both, and no one ever asked me why. Had on a field day, just floating all around the world. Two of a kind, that rain